So yes guys, this is the one pot meal. Yes, this is it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me a comment, let me know, would you try this meal? Hey guys, welcome back to our kitchen. It's Kenny and Kirk YouTube channel, and today we're back with another video. Today we're cooking a one pot meal guys, so just stay tuned and catch the one here flat pan it face. So we light the fire under the pot. Yeah, so we're gonna add some cooking oil to the pot. So yeah guys, I'm gonna put some oil in the pot. Right this so this is how it's starting with a little oil. So yeah guys, the oil are hot. So guys, the pot is hot, and I have here some
okra, tomatoes, and pumpkin, thyme, onion,
garlic.
garlic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah guys, so remember it's a one pot meal cooking. We are going to ooh, the okra is sticky, man. Look at that. Yeah. These are the food for the back guys. Strong back food. Look there guys. Strong back food. Look for okra juice. It's slimy. Look at that. So this is our one pot ital meal. You don't know. Yeah. So we are sauteing this. Yeah, so we're going to leave it to saute a little. Yeah guys, him tricked me into cooking, but I'm going to get him. Look out for two prank here. I want to can comment if which prank you want to see me dash for him, because I got dash two prank for him, make him ball. Yeah? Look at this one. Check out the okra. Damn, this thing is slimy. Yo. Look at this. This is looking good. Yeah. Alright, that's so. So guys, I'm going to go in with my next ingredients. So guys, right here, so this is our next ingredient, is some chopped callaloo. Yeah, that going in our one pot as well. You see you. I'm gonna get you, okay? I'm going to get you. So yeah guys, stir. Yeah, you watch nice. Yeah, you guys gonna love this one pot ital meal. I know I'm going to love it. You're going to love it too. So guys, I'm going to saute this as well for about 3 minutes. Yeah, or even 2. Yeah, it's not for long. Guys, you see what the okra give? The okra is giving. Real giving. Yeah. All them food you have to make you strong, you know. Look there guys, the okra giving. Gee. Yeah. It's giving. I don't like the burner, it a slide off the pot. I don't know why them a make them burner here, so. Yeah guys, so we finished sauteing. We're going to add the coconut milk now. Guys, the coconut milk has sleep. Yeah, because the place cool. If you saw this thing, check out this. This thing sleep up in the dish. sleep. At the place school. Yeah, at England we there. Yeah, so I got stir. So guys, yeah, coconut milk in. We're gonna do some little powder seasoning now. So guys, we're coming with some cayenne pepper. Yeah. No, me have the cayenne, eh. Put on back that. That has spice. Pull the clove. We need all of the rest of the seasoning. Clove. Yeah. Just open it. No, open it. Throw it out now. Throw. Right. So guys, I'm adding some clove. Whole clove. Yeah, this is anise. Pull it up. Yeah, where I use some anise seed. Yeah. We're going in with some Maggi all-purpose. That's all-purpose to pull it. Open that, let me use all of that. Right, this is some mixed seasoning, guys. Yeah, with jerk and stuff. What else? Black pepper. We're going in with a little black pepper. There, guys, black pepper. Yeah. We're going in with some salt. Right, all this. And we're going to stir. So guys, we're going to go in now with some cock soup. Yeah, a pack of cock soup in it. Remember now it's our ital stew, one pot. Ital stew. We'll get out everything out of it. All this. Thank you. So we are stir that in, guys. Yeah, guys. We're going in with some chiffon butter. Yeah, some chiffon. Just like that. Yeah. Yeah, guys. You all gonna enjoy this meal. Yeah. It's Kenny and Kirk creative cooking, you know? Yeah. So don't be afraid. And if you're not a subscriber, please remember to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. Alright? Yeah. So guys, we're going to leave this sweet boil for 5 minutes, not for long, because we don't want the vegetable to be overcooked. So we are going to leave this boiling with seasoning for 5 minutes, and then we are going to watch the rice and come back to you, alright? So the guys, look on the good things. Ooh! Yeah, you. And here, guys. Yeah, reality, so we're going to eat with it. No, so girl over our vegetable already. Alright, chill. So we're going to eat peace. Yeah, you. Cool. Yeah, guys, we're gonna check the pots. Yeah, you. Ooh. What's nice? What's nice? So, guys, we're gonna put in the rice. No. Yeah, come, give me the dish. So, guys, we are putting the rice. So, we are putting the rice. Parboiled rice, guys. Yeah, what is it? Let me care about that. Yeah. So guys, it's parboiled rice, and we are gonna leave it when we finish and make it take time simmer. So I'm gonna care about my local rice out of the dish now. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Our one pot ital stew me. No ital stew. A one pot ital meal, yeah. Ananas chill. Hey guys! So we are back to check our food. Oh my god, look at our one pot. Oh, listen me. Check out the one pot meal, guys. Oh my, hey, aroma. The aroma turn up. Let me get a fork. Let me get the fork. Guys, I'm not lie. Yeah, you. Look at that, you. Yeah, you. What more can you ask for in a meal? Talk true. Talk the truth, people. Talk true. What more can you ask for in a meal? No, it's giving everything in one pot. So guys, we're giving it 5 more minutes to steam out a little bit more, and our one pot meal is ready. I can't wait to dig in. So yeah guys, it's finished. Look at that. Oh my god. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We're gonna get back to you with the finished dish. Alright, so yes guys, this is the one pot meal. Yes, this is it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me a comment. Let me know, would you try this meal? Bye.